William stands beneath the massive learning tree, staring up at a canopy that defies nature. The leaves flicker with unnatural light. Some glow neon pink, while others pulse with shimmering orange and blue. Chewie sniffs a blue leaf,
sneezing as it tingles his nose. Bubbles pecks an orange one, letting out a sharp, confused squawk.
"Why are the leaves the wrong colors?" William asks. Suddenly, the wonder gate in the bark creaks open, pulsing with an emerald glow. The leaf symbol illuminates, and a breeze swirls around them, carrying tiny, glowing sprites.
It is a learning tree adventure! William grins as they shrink and tumble into the magical color grove.
Glow sprites hover anxiously near a jumbled cluster of colors. William steps forward. "We have to fix the colors." A stone tablet rises, displaying a color wheel.
William guides a red leaf to its circle. Chewie nudges a yellow leaf home, and Bubbles taps a blue one into place.
But 3 mixed leaves remain. "We have to match these two," William says. "Red and yellow make orange." Chewie nudges the orange leaf. "Yellow and blue make green." Bubbles pecks the green leaf. Finally, William slides the purple leaf home. "Red and blue make purple."
The tablet erupts in brilliant green light. Leaves change when magic mixes them.
The grove fades. Back in the yard, the tree is green again, save for one shimmering rainbow leaf.
A special adventure is coming, William smiles. Chewie boops the leaf while Bubbles tries to catch it.
The gate shuts with a final shimmer. William checks his backpack. A new raindrop symbol glows. A weather adventure next.